The Elements of Non-Euclidean Geometry by D.M.Y. Sommerville.
Chapter 1, Historical. Section 4, Playfair's Axiom. In a more restricted field, the attempts of the postulate demonstrators have given us an interesting and varied assortment of equivalents to Euclid's axiom. It would take up too much of our space to examine the numerous demonstrations, but as some of the equivalent assumptions have come into school textbooks, and there appears still to exist a belief that the Euclidean theory of parallels is a necessity of thought, it will be useful to notice a few of them. One of the commonest of the equivalents used for Euclid's axiom in school textbooks is Playfair's axiom, really due to Ludlam. Two intersecting straight lines cannot both be parallel to the same straight line, which is equivalent to the statement, through a given point not more than one parallel can be drawn to a given straight line. And from this, the properties of parallels follows very elegantly. The statement is simpler in form than Euclid's, but it is nonetheless an assumption. Another equivalent is, the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to two right angles. I do not think anyone has been so bold as to assume this as an axiom, but there have been many attempts to establish the theory of parallels by obtaining first an intuitive proof of this statement. A very neat proof, but particularly dangerous unless it be regarded merely as an illustration, is the rotation proof due to Thibaut.
The Elements of Non-Euclidean Geometry. This book was written by D.M.Y. Sommerville, M.A. and Doctor of Science. It was published by the Open Court Publishing Company, London, G. Bell & Sons, Ltd. in 1919, and now is in the public domain. It is being read by Jim Renholt, with programming and illustrations by Jim Renholt in 2019. Thank you for listening.